Okay, today's project, I've got to fit these LEDs to a new piece of wood. I've got a nice piece of oak. I've just done it all, measured it, and the bolts are just not, I've got no other bolts to go through. If you look, they're through, but the piece of wood I've got is about the same thick. Well, it's about the same thickness, and I just get a nut on it, and I've just slightly cracked just underneath there. It's all right, though, no damage. So I've decided to have a go at these. Follow me. You've probably seen these before. Let me take you to the bench. Yeah, I thought, I'm going to have a go. So I'm going to have a go, get the tool out. I've not used it for a while. Put the appropriate end in. I'll show you that actually. I'll actually do that. Hold on one sec. I think you've seen all these before, so make a bit of room. So these are all the fittings. I did put them all back, and a spanner. What are they? I think, let's have a look. This is an M3, too small. M6, let's try an M6. Maybe too big, isn't it? You have to look. Ah, there we go. Is that it? So you take that bit out and the nut. Take perfecto. That's what we need. So we need that one. I haven't done this for so long. I think I'm doing it right. That goes over the top. Hold on one second. Right. So we pop him in there first. I don't think I have to tighten him down. I think he's all right. Then bring that back down. Tighten that up. Like so. And that's it, I think. I think that's it. So, just tighten that a little bit. I think that's it. Let's just go a bit further. I think you can adjust this as well. Bringing it down. And the idea is the more you adjust it, the more pulling you've got to come down. So it just needs practice, really. I haven't done it for yonks. So let's go and give them a pull. Screw him on the end. I hope this works, or I'm not going to be able to get. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. All right. In metal, normally, right, kneel on the wood. You can see that. It's nice that way. Now, what am I doing? All right, there's not enough pull. Hold on. Okay, right, here we go. So you've got to screw this. Come on, focus. Nope. Yeah, this all the way down to the end of the shaft here. Told you I haven't done it for a while. And then put it in. Squeeze it. Like so. And then you undo it. Let's see what happens, shall we? Now that is what I call, that's ingenious. What a nice bit of kit, look at that. So I can now fit them without plenty, just got that out, there we go. Alright, let me do the next one. Okay. And squeeze. And there we go. Undo him. Right, we'll see how it fits in a minute. That's done that well. you go, turn a little knob in the middle. Like read the instructions, which you don't do because if you're a man, you might get the job done easier. Anyway, let's go and see if this works. Allen key job, hold on a sec. There you go. Right, so same with this one, line them up. Push them down and then start screwing them home. Well, there you go. What an easy way. Alright, if you like the vid, give it a thumbs up and a like, and let's catch you again in the next video. P.S. Make sure you drill the holes in the plastic a lot bigger than what you think you need, because it's not going to matter, because this is it's a massive washer if you look at that. So you need to drill those two slightly bigger, and these two a lot bigger, and then you've got a lot more play to line up the holes, otherwise you break. I didn't realise that, but I have to super glue it or something, but it's no problem, I'll do it. I mean, it's full watertight, but that's what happens. Okay, word of warning. Alright, take care, catch you in the next one.